Hi everyone, welcome to Discovering Natural channel. So one of the things that I get asked a lot is about supplements, and one of the most commonly known supplements that can help you with your hair growth and also with your nails and skin is Biotin. Now, what is Biotin and how can Biotin help your hair? How can Biotin help your hair growth? Does Biotin help? Okay, and does Biotin work? Now in this video I'm going to be like telling you about everything. Now, I want to say big shout out to everyone that is on here, and I want you to guys to click the subscribe button if you've not yet clicked the subscribe button. But let's talk about Biotin. If you're not a stranger to my channel, you already know that I do use Biotin supplement, a liquid Biotin supplement in my hair care, my body care, and I also use like Biotin serums and things of that sort, so I know what I'm talking about when it comes to Biotin. So what exactly is Biotin? Biotin is a water soluble vitamin, okay? It's something that is in different foods. It's actually known as vitamin H. So if you don't know that Biotin is vitamin H, now you know. It is part of the vitamin B family. So vitamin B has a lot of different vitamins such as vitamin B6, vitamin B12. You can go on and on it. So what are some things that Biotin can help you with? Biotin is one of those ones that they help you with your hair, they help you with your skin, they also help you with your nails, yeah? So if you're someone that you have brittle nails, things like that, so Biotin is what you can use for it. One other thing that you should know is that there are different kind of Biotins out there. The one that I'm going to show you today, this is a liquid Biotin, and this liquid Biotin is from what? It's from 1 drop vitamin. So you see it right over here. This is what the packaging looks like, and it's packaged really well. When it came to me, it comes very well packaged so that it doesn't break, because inside I put mine in this container, but you can see I've been taking it, you can see it right over there. I've been taking it all along, and it's in a glass bottle. Let me tell you something about Biotin, because Biotin also helps your body. It converts nutrients that your body needs into energy. And yes, you can say, oh, I can get Biotin from foods and things of that sort. Yes, you can, but do you know that actually when heat is put on foods that contain Biotin, it actually breaks it down. So you lose some of those benefits that you should get, okay? And I'm gonna also show you how I take this Biotin supplement. What are some things that Biotin can help you with? So if you have like thinning hair, if your hair just starts thinning unnecessarily, you can incorporate Biotin into your hair routine. This Biotin that I take is the extra strength, because you guys know, due to my health, I suffer from hair loss off and on, but I've been able to regulate it a lot by incorporating things such as Biotin into my hair routine and into my health. And also this is the 10,000 mcg. So if you're going to take it, you also want to talk to your doctor before you start taking it. But if you're someone that you want to gradually slip into taking it, supplements work better when you take them daily, okay? So you can start with small dosage and work your way up, but taking supplements daily works best. Liquid supplements are the best ways to absorb them into your body. Liquid Biotin for me absorbs better and faster into my body. If you're going to take Biotin, please drink enough water, because you don't want to get breakout. Now you guys see my face? There's no, we are not breaking out on this face. So we have to keep working on it, okay? So when you take this Biotin supplement, one thing I like about this one especially is that oh my goodness, it tastes like cherry. It has a cherry flavor, so it has good flavor. So you don't have to suffer the taste of icky, yucky taste just because you want to take a supplement. Another way you can take this is, so when you're going to take this, let me tell you, how do you take Biotin supplement for healthy hair, skin, and nails? Let me tell you what you can do. What you do is that you take the Biotin supplement, okay? You're going to take a dropper, and a dropper is about half of this. So you see, it's just half. Okay, you're gonna put it in your mouth. You can also put it in water, or you can put it in juice, and you can drink it like that, 8-ounce water or 8-ounce juice. But I like taking it like this. Please take it after you eat. I just had a nice plate of food, so I can take mine now. And you put it, I put it right underneath my tongue for 30 seconds. Okay. Okay, so I've taken my Biotin supplement. You want to take it once a day. And remember, drink your water. Now, what are some things? Some people will say, oh, maybe they're allergic or whatever. It's up to you. If you feel you're allergic, then you know what to do. So one thing I will say is that people do get Biotin deficiency. If you're lacking, if you're not getting enough Biotin in your system, you'll notice some hair loss going on, some uncontrollable hair loss. You also notice that your skin feels dry and is scaly, and if you have a lighter skin complexion, you have some red scaling, peeling going on. Your nails, see, you notice your nails are breaking and they're just constantly breaking. Yeah, I don't have that issue. People have been asking me about my nails, things that I do. My nails feels quite hard. You can see this is my real nail, okay? And it feels really good. So if this is something that you want to give a try, please let me know. The link is going to be down below. You can get this. This is readily available on Amazon, and you guys, you know I love Amazon. So I get most of my stuff on Amazon. So I'll put the link in the description area. I've also pinned the link for you. If you guys take Biotin, I want to know, how do you take Biotin and how has it been helping you? And if you've been having breakouts, switch it up. Switch up your Biotin, because hey, life is too short to have breakouts. Life is too short to have hair loss unnecessarily. Life is too short to just not subscribe. So please click the subscribe button. And I love you guys, and thank you so much. And a big shout out to One Drop Vitamins for sponsoring this video. Thank you so much. Bye.